I lost Gwen. She was my MJ. I couldn't save her.
В 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе.
Are you okay?
Камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа.
Are you okay?
И все твои обещания пустота.
Stay with me. Stay with me. Gwen. No, please.